Every human, and indeed every animal, so every elephant and ant, contains a teeming collection of microbes in their body. The average humans, contains about 37 trillion of them, which is around the same number as they have as the actual cells, our human cells. So at least half the cells in our body are microbial.
You compare microbiomes to archipelagos, where each person is a chain of islands. Mm-hmm. Why should we think about microbes that way?
Because if we zoom down, we are these entire worlds. We have so many living organisms within us, and the different parts of our body are like different habitats. So the forearm is like a desert. It is parched and barren. The nose and the mouth are like rainforests. They are humid and hot. And each of these places houses its own menagerie of species of microbial fauna.
What factors shape a person's microbiome?
That's a critical question, and we're still trying to answer it. You can look, my microbiome is very different to yours, which is different to any of our listeners right now. But scientists can only explain a small proportion of that variation. So we're still largely in the dark about what makes our microbiomes different.
And babies are born with microbiomes?
They are. So the womb is a sterile environment, but when babies are born, they are covered in mum's vaginal microbes. And then breast milk is this astonishing way of feeding microbes in a baby's gut. About 10% of milk contains these sugars that babies can't digest, but that nourish its first microbes.
How long does it take for babies to evolve into a mature state, microbially speaking?
It takes about 3 years to reach an adult state. And what's interesting about that is that the bacteria change in very predictable waves, just as like a new island would be colonized by like lichens, then shrubs, then trees. You get these very stable, very obvious patterns of ecological succession.
If someone has a food allergy, does that mean that they don't have the right microbes?
There have been links between allergies and the microbiome, certainly, because it seems that exposure to microbes at an early age helps to calibrate the immune system, getting this nice balance between reacting to potential infections but not overreacting to harmless things like stuff in our food or allergens. So maybe an imbalance of those two sides, maybe a lack of exposure to the right microbes at an early stage leads to that.